Greetings to you everyone. Welcome to our Genius Campus. This is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor in science subject. In this video session, I am with our pride 7th kids from Genius Campus to participate in a small discussion on the task. So you will come to know soon what task our kids are going to participate. Before that, brief introduction by our Genius kids. 7th pride. Come on.
Myself, Lokesh Roy.
Yeah.
Hi Genius, greetings to you, myself, I Krishna.
Yes.
Hi Genius, greetings to you, myself, Chirantej.
Yeah, Mr. Lokesh and Krishna, Mr. Charantej, they are eagerly waiting to participate in a small task. The task name is thermometer. What is the task name? Thermometer. So generally we knew what is meant by thermometer. Thermometer is the instrument which measures the temperature. Then what is meant by temperature? Something, the phenomena which is hot or cold is known as temperature. So already Mr. Charan, he bought something. So that instrument is thermometer. So this is the thermometer. Please open. Yeah, carefully. So this is called thermometer. So generally, what purpose this instrument will be used in the sense to find out the temperature present in the body, especially human body. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
So here, generally, in 1593, the thermometer is invented by one scientist. Who is that?
The scientist name is Galileo Galilei.
Yeah, Galileo Galilei, the scientist. First time in 1593, he was invented the thermometer instrument, and that time water is used in that instrument. First, foremost thermometer. Okay, done. Then nowadays we are using which one in a thermometer?
Yes, Celsius.
No, which metal is using in the thermometer to show the reading? Generally in hospitals and etc.
Sir, metal.
What is that metal? It will be raised. Starts with M. Can you guess? Mr. Vishal, can you guess that metal? MERCU.
Mercury.
Mercury, yeah. So nowadays, worldwide, generally in thermometers, mercury is used to find out the temperature reading. So, in 1593, the water is used, but later, the mercury is used in the thermometer. The mercury concept is given by one more special scientist. Who is that scientist?
The scientist name is G. Fahrenheit.
G. Fahrenheit. So G. Fahrenheit is the scientist. Gabriel Fahrenheit. First time he was introduced the mercury, and the Fahrenheit concept is introduced. But nowadays, more than the Fahrenheit, one more reading will be implemented. That reading is introduced by one more scientist. Who is that person?
Yes, Celsius.
Yes, Celsius. Andres Celsius. So nowadays, Fahrenheit is also acceptable and Celsius is also acceptable. So I have one of the special thermometer. This thermometer is used to measure the temperature, especially. Any doubts, kids, regarding thermometer?
Excuse me, sir. Myself, Vishal.
Yeah, Mr.
I
Vishal.
have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, what is the doubt, please?
Sir, how many thermometers have, sir?
Types of thermometer.
Yes, sir.
A nice question. So I have in my hand digital thermometer. So here thermometers are majorly number 1 digital thermometer, number 2 clinical thermometer, number 3 lab thermometer. So these are the major types of thermometer. There are 3 types. Are you clear, dear kids?
Yes sir.
So now I am having in my hand clinical thermometer and that too digital thermometer. So let me check one of our genius kid body temperature in Fahrenheit measurement. Are you ready, viewers? Please, little come closer. Mister, hold this carefully. So now the point is nothing. First we have to switch on the button. Switch on the button. Very good. Now the thermometer is switched on. Please hold with your finger. Yeah. Here we could use a finger to find out the temperature. Come closer. 93, 94, 94.6, 94.95, 95.2, 95.3, 4. So here rising. This reading in the form of Fahrenheit, not Celsius. So it's going on still. Let's see. So finally this thermometer, it gives us one beep sound. Then only the reading is final. Are you listening? Beep sound it is giving. Yeah, that's it. So now Mr. Rakesh body's temperature is 95.7 Fahrenheit. So up to 98, 97, 98, 99 also no problem. But 100, 101, 102, it should not be. Then that is called as a fever. So, and mercury thermometer also in one more video session we shall try to show you, dear viewers, respectable everybody. So this is the small task. Our Genius Kids 7th Pride boys have been participated. I hope you are understanding this concept. In one more video we shall meet soon. Till then, signing off, this is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor in science from our Genius campus.
Bye, genius. Bye, genius.